Poem by Chrissy, read by Chrissy, entitled The Caged Bird Sings Freedom. I'm here looking out of the cage, caged yet free. The caged bird sings freedom. Living in harmony with myself, I'm at peace. They captured me, but I'm free. I'm not bound. They don't control me. Captive in this cage, yeah, I have rage, yet I will be humble and not pop off like a grenade. They got me bound, but they don't have me down. I'm the bird that's free, although in captivity, mental slavery. I sing freedom, I'm free. I'm in the cage, but not bound by the cage of captivity. I soar, I glide, I glow, I'm free. There's hope for this caged bird. The caged bird sings freedom. Not captivity.